That's what yeah. That's ari-arian.
Are-arean.
Yeah. We're gonna do boogie-boogie.
Oh boy.
Good morning, Philippines!
Morning! Good morning, guys. Hold on, guys. Kakaalis lang ni Tami. Hindi na ako nag-vlog kasi ano lang kami, spending time each other lang. Charot. Nagbihis ako kasi akala ko na aalis ako ng maaga like usual, mga before 10, 9:30 alis ako dito kasi punta doon sa biyanan. Pero yung sister-in-law ko tumawag. She said it's okay if it's kind of late. And her husband is there. So yun. And yun. So naghintay na lang ako. Later na lang daw ako punta doon. And Tami umalis. Kakaalis lang talaga ni Tami, guys. And yun. Tapos na tayo dito. Wala na akong kailangan. And yun. Anyway. Today is Friday. Friday, diba? Nakakasad kasi Friday, si Tami, trabaho. Weekends. Trabaho si Tami weekends. I'm happy that nag-cut ako ng grass kahapon. Kasi bata. Yun. Oh my goodness. My little boy. My boy is sleeping here. My baby, bog ni mama. I love you. I love you. You're sleeping here. You're sleeping here. Don't worry. I'm not gonna stay long here. I won't bother you longer. Oh, just, hello. Hello, Mitika. Mitika. Hello, you like it. It does. Look at this, guys. Oh. Look at this little boy I have. Look at this little boy. Hello. Look, he loves it. You love it? Oh my God, I love you. I love you. Pakusi si mama, babe. Pakusi si mama sa baba, babe. Kusi pa more. Kusi. Nanggigil man si mama, babe. Oh. Just parang baby man talaga ba? Sana hindi kayo, Diyan muna kayo, guys. Ihang ko muna itong vlog. Tignan nyo na lang yan. Tignan nyo si Hopsy Bug. Hopsy Boy. Tignan nyo si Hopsy Boy. Baby Bug. Ni Mama. My little man. Little boy, ni mama. I love you. Do you know I love you? Do you know that mama loves you so much? Do you know that? Do you know that mama loves you so much? Mama loves you. We love this man because he is so loving. Who doesn't love an animals that is very loving? You know, this one is so loving. He show love all the time. He always showing you his love all the time. And this another daughters I have tears. Stop licking. Oh, I love you. I love you. Okay, nag-moisturize lang ako kasi sobrang dry ng ko dito. Hindi ko alam kung bakit sobrang dry. Anong oras na? Almost 11. Ano bang kakainin natin? Kainin ko na lang ito. Sana hindi yan sira. Yep. Yan yung lunch natin. It's from, from Subway. Kahapon to. Quesadilla. Hindi quesadilla, guys. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Basta hindi ito quesadilla. Ano lang siya. Wrap. Hala, oy, napislat man. Ba't na pinislat? Hold on, guys. Pinislat. And, pagkatapos niyan, balik tayo sa taas, mag-lipstick tayo. Hindi na ako naglagay ng foundation, guys. Nag-eyebrow na lang ako. And then, lipstick tayo mamaya. Kasi, andun lang, hindi naman ako alis. Andun lang ako sa biyanan. Kasama ko lang siya. Spend time with her. Okay guys, see you later. See you na lang tayo doon with Bianan, okay? Maggawa tayo ng mga video. Sana hindi tayo mahiya sa brother-in-law ko. Kasi nahihiya kasi ako. So sana, big cat. Andito na naman kami sa labas. Ma'am. Word of the day.
Really?
word of the day. I will teach you Tagalog.
You are a Sagalo?
I will teach you Tagalog word.
Mm. Pono kahoy.
Ponong
Ponong
kahoy.
kahoy.
Yeah.
That's very different from Spanish. I thought it was closer.
What is the Spanish of
Tree, like I
Yeah.
mentioned this tree.
Yeah.
Say arbol.
Huh?
Arbol.
Arbol?
Arbol.
Arbol.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that's really really different. So it's
very
different. Arbol. How about beautiful, mom, in Tagalog? In your language.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Bella.
Biya.
Bella.
Biya.
And 2 double L's. Yeah.
Double L.
Yeah.
Biyaw. Biyaw.
Bella. Bella.
Ah, okay. I cannot see it. I thought beautiful is guapa.
Well, guapa is, it's not much.
It's not much
No,
use.
no, it's not as much as the other way.
Ah,
Mm-hmm.
kasi sa amin.
Guapa means you're dressed beautifully.
Okay.
You know,
In Tagalog, maganda.
maganda,
Yeah.
maganda. Where does that come? I don't think to anything.
In Tagalog, in our
Yeah.
time, maganda.
Maganda. Hey, I'll teach you Spanish. You teach me
Yeah.
your language.
But seems like it's harder. Your Spanish is, I think it's more harder.
Spanish is hard?
Yeah, I think.
I thought Spanish was so easy.
Because that's your language.
Because I've been talking too much in my lifetime.
I think it's.
Yeah, but we can try. I mean,
How about house in your,
house?
yeah.
Casa.
Ay, casa. Your casa, my casa. That's that's what
there we
yeah. That's because it's people keep saying that.
Yeah, we greet each other
Yeah.
there.
Bahay in Tagalog.
Bahay.
Yeah. You can say it. You can say it really good, mom.
Mm-hmm.
You speak really good.
Because with the Spanish, it comes close.
Yeah, bahay.
Bahay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So casa. How about land?
Land in what respect?
Is this okay? Property. Just say it. Property.
Propertia.
Propertia.
Proper.
Propertia.
Mhm.
Propertia. Property. In Tagalog, we just say it property. No, I don't know Tagalog property. Property. Guys, comment guys down below anong property Tagalog. Now I have to search, okay? So property is in ang Tagalog ari-arian.
That thing came close.
Oh, your is propertia, right?
Propertia.
Propertia. But in Tagalog is ari-arian.
Are and are
An.
and
Ari-arian.
are and.
Yeah.
That to me is saying are is run. So somebody must be chasing me.
What is porch in porch? This porch.
This porch, they have a name for this porch. The word that comes to
Balcony.
me, yeah, I was gonna say barco.
Balcony.
Barco.
Because in Visaya, in dialect also over there is balcony. It seems like
Like English.
English is
Balcony.
porch. Balcony is English too.
Mhm.
Is it English too? Sala is living room.
Yeah.
Sala. Kusina is kitchen. Yeah, right?
Mm-hmm.
The same thing with you, right?
Yeah, kitchen.
Yeah. And I know TV is television.
The what? Yeah.
TV. Televi, like V.
Televi.
It's not B?
No, V.
Yeah, okay. Television.
True.
Chair.
Sia.
Celia.
Sia.
Yeah, we do it. We call it Celia. But there is people that in the old days, like,
Oh.
called it Celia because we have mixed Spanish. They called it Celia.
Yep.
The national language, they called it Opoan.
Opoan.
Yeah.
Doesn't even come close. Opoan.
But all the people that it's the old people, they called Celia because they got it from Spanish. Yeah.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
Opoan.
So,
Languages has always been a big thing for me. I like to learn languages.
so what else do you wanna know? What's your reaction if a few years from now, Tommy and I get pregnant?
I would be delighted.
You'll be happy to see a grandkid?
Forever.
Yeah.
I think Tommy would be jumping for joy.
He'll be very happy, and me. And you know, that would be nice, right?
Oh, I would love it.
Hopefully, you know, hopefully, fingers crossed. Few years
I'll
from now.
pray for it.
Yeah.
That would be wonderful.
Yeah.
Yeah. It always hurts.
Especially if it's a girl, you know. Tommy love girl. Tommy want girl.
Girls are more attached to the fathers. They're,
Yeah. And Tommy
they-
want like a girl.
Yeah, they love them and they, they're always hanging on to them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're attached to the boys and the girls attached to a father. This cat, no.
Yes.
Now she roll over. Zoe! Oh, Freddy! Hi, so cute! Freddy, roll over! Back inside! Nagkakat kasi yung...
Did you get him to roll over?
No. He won't probably like that.
What?
He won't probably like it. But yeah, you always enjoy outside, right? Yeah. Kumakain lang ako ng mga prutas sa bahay dito. Is it weird, Mom? I'm vlogging. Is it weird? I'm talking to the camera, right? Is it weird to you?
It's weird that she's talking to the camera.
Yeah. It's called vlogging.
Driving.
Vlog.
Vlogging.
Yeah, vlogging. Like, what the heck is the camera? Take it away from my face. I don't like the camera. Take it away. I wanna see your green eyes. Your eyes is so green. Woman, don't come back here. That's what she's saying. Mom, she's talking to me. She said, woman, don't come back here. I don't wanna see your face on your camera. Hello, Zoe. Zoe, I like your eyes. So green.
Thank you for subscribing.
Yeah, because people like to see you all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, they want to see you. Yeah,
Who? What people?
the people, my viewers, they know you already long time.
Yeah, I know, but
Yeah,
they
they
want
were.
to see me.
Yeah, they said make a video of your mother-in-law. So here she is. She said thank you for subscribing the channel, right, Mom?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
I'll miss you.
Miss you too. I'll see
We
you.
enjoy
Yeah,
company.
yeah. So we will see Monday, okay? With Tommy.
Okay.
Tommy is gonna be here, so
Oh, he'll be here.
yeah.
Oh, good.
And then we're going to the house. I will tell Andrea we'll bring you to the house.
Yeah, I haven't been there for a long time.
Yeah. So that you can see the dogs.
Yeah. I
And
wanna see
we're
them.
going to dance, okay? And karaoke. You told me we're going to do that. So we're gonna do boogie boogie.
Oh boy.
You can do boogie boogie. You know how to wiggle.
Got wiggled, but I don't know if I remember.
You want something in your lips? Okay? Ay, ginoo ko, Lord! Lord, ginoo ko, pagkasakit sa kuko! Okay, let's go, Pipi. Come, Pipi. Ngayon, nakabihis na ako yung suot ko kaninang umaga. And, pabayaan lang natin yung light na yan. And, yun. Nagutom ako. Gusto ko kumain ng rice kasi this morning, bread, lunch, tacos, and then wala, gutom ako, gusto ko ng rice. Pero ngayon, may leftover tayong yung chicken. At saka yung leftover na to is buto siya sa likuran ng chicken. Hindi ko siya, usually, kakainin ko siya. Masarap naman siya kainin, pero gusto ko talagang lechon paksiwin ko. Paksiwin. Okay, lechon paksiw. Pero hindi ko mahanap yung cover ng ko. Ay, dito pala. Dito pala. Anyway guys, pinakain ko na tong mga aso. Pero si Misty hindi kakain. As usual, hindi kumakain. And, yun, natuwa ako sa biyanan ko guys. Pag uwi ko, sabi ko, uwi na ako kasi andito naman yung asawa ng anak niya. Nagkakat ng graso. Gusto lang ng kapatid ni Tami na bantayan. May kasama ba, may kausap, ganon. So, gusto niya may kausap daw. Kahit andun yung asawa niya na yun, andun sa bahay nila. Pero, busy man yun. Nagpipinta ng bahay nila. And then, busy sa yard nila kasi summer na baya, di ba? And tinawagan ako kaninang umaga, sabi niya, gusto daw niya may kausap yung ina nila, ganyan, kasama. So, yun. Pinuntahan ko kanina. And, yun, nag-exercise kami. Nag-relax, nag-exercise. Pinaano ko siya sa hagdanan kasi hagdanan usually yung gamit niyang sa hagdanan is usually yung tungkod niya and then yung isang kamay is doon sa railing. So yun yung nakasanayan niya, pero noong pagkatapos niya hindi na niya alam na kung ano yung gagawin niya. So may therapy naman, pero yung therapy is hindi inano niya ba yung pinabayaan lang niya na ganun yung kamay, dalawang kamay nakahawak sa railing. And sabi ko sa kapatid ni Tami na, okay, anuhin ko siya, i-ano ko siya, paano sa hagdanan, gamit yung cane. So, ginawa namin kanina. And then, nag-relax din kami, nagchikahan. Sabi pa niya, sana babalik ka. Naasabi ko, naisa-isip ko, nakalimutan mo na ba na ayaw mo ako? Sana babalik, na miss daw niya ako. Natawa na lang ako. Ay, nako Lord. And tinext ko yung 4 o'clock umalis ako doon. Sabi ko sa sister-in-law ko na alis ako. I think tapos naman yung asawa mo sa sa pagkakat ng damo. So, alis na lang ako. Plano namin ni Tami, dalhin siya dito Monday. And I have to defrost that thing. Dalhin namin siya dito Monday. And itry natin i-karaoke at saka or sayaw-sayaw. Itry, let's see kung ano yung feel niya. Sayaw-sayaw, ganun-ganon. And, yun. Anyway, I'll see you later. Ang bango. Ang bango. Anyway guys, kakain ako after this. Alam nyo guys, matulog ako ng maaga. Tawagan ko lang yung sister ko. Sa Facebook kasi kapag tumawag siya, walang signal. Mahina yung signal nila. Tignan nyo yung phone ko. Neng! Erneng! Ngano, imong signal ba? Wala jud. Imong signal, wala jud town. Noon saan po Poldo? Bye guys, see you bukas. See you na lang bukas. Maaga ako matulog.